Hello friends, today I will tell you about vitamin C part 2. Names: ascorbic, others. Formula C6H806. Elimination half-life varies according to plasma concentration. Protein binding negligible. Boiling point into 552.7 degrees 1006.9 degrees F. Melting point 190 to 192 degrees C, 374 to 378 degrees F. Some decomposition blood pressure. Across all the studies, some included healthy adults and others had people with high blood pressure. Taking vitamin C supplements at a dose of about 500 milligrams a day appeared to reduce systolic blood pressure by nearly 4 points and diastolic pressure by about 1.5 points in about 2 months. Water. 1 ascorbic acid is freely soluble in water 300 gram or L at 220 degrees, difficult in alcohol 20 gram or L at 20 degrees, and insoluble in chloroform ether and benzene. It forms a clear, colorless to slightly yellowish solution. It has two pK values 4.2 and 9.6 point. The pH of a 5 W or V solution in water is 2.2-2.5 in bracket 9. Potatoes. In addition, the potato is low in fat. Potatoes are rich in several micronutrients, especially vitamin C. Eaten with its skin, a single medium-sized potato of 150 gram provides nearly half the daily adult recommend 100 mg. Food is highest in vitamin C. Answer: fruits with the highest sources of vitamin C include cantaloupe, citrus fruits, and juices such as orange and grapefruit, kiwi fruit, mango, papaya, pineapple, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and cranberries. Watermelon. What happens if you don't get enough vitamin C? People who get little or no vitamin C below about 10 mg per day for many weeks can get scurvy. Scurvy causes fatigue, inflammation of the gums, small red or purple spots on the skin, joint pain, poor wound healing, and coarse hair. Should I take vitamin C daily? Answer: advertisement for adults. The recommended daily amount for vitamin C is 65 to 90 milligrams mg a day, and the upper limit is 2000 mg a day. Although too much dietary vitamin C is unlikely to be harmful, mega doses of vitamin C supplements might cause diarrhea. What fruit is highest in vitamin C? Answer: kakadu plums. The kakadu plum, Terminalia ferdinandiana, is an Australian native superfood containing 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. It has the highest known concentration of C, containing up to 5,300. How do you increase vitamin C? Answer: you can always use vitamin C supplements for an extra boost, but both Kirkpatrick and Glassman recommended getting vitamin C from food sources whenever possible. Red bell peppers. Just half a cup of raw red bell pepper will meet your vitamin C minimum for the day. Second, citrus fruits. Third, kiwi fruit. Fourth, cruciferous vegetables. Fifth, potatoes. We take 1000 mg vitamin C daily. Answer: the maximum recommended amount or upper limit is 2000 mg per day for all adults. Taking more than the upper limit for vitamin C isn't life-threatening, but you may experience side effects like abdominal pain, cramps. Do we need vitamin C every day? Answer: The recommended daily intake for vitamin C is 75 mg for women and 90 mg for man 1. While it's commonly advised to get your vitamin C intake from foods, many people turn to supplements to meet their needs. What is a good vitamin C tablet? Answer. Yoki vitamin C chewable tablets. These chewable vitamin C tablets by Yoki are affordable and quite popular in India. Big Big Muscles Nutrition Natural Vitamin C and Zinc tablets. Bold Fit Vitamin C Complex.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait